Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to show you another interesting chess game. I am going to show you chess tactics for beginners. I am going to give you 5 different chess tactics for beginner level players. Please watch until finish this video. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the moves. Okay, this particular pattern of chess, black wins in 4 moves only. White turn, black turn. First move is black turn. Black won the game. I am going to give you 15 seconds only. If you know the answer before the 15 seconds, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. Okay, let's go to the timer. Timer is running right now.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. This is chapter 1. Chess tactics for beginners. Black wins by this game. Black turn. First move is black turn. I am going to give you the right answer now. First move is f5. Now you can see here, this pawn attack the bishop. This bishop only goes here. He cannot go there because there is a pawn. Okay. Now bishop come to d3. Then black push the pawn to e4. In this particular chess video, black need to cut the pawn, then wrap the bishop. Then queen take the pawn. In this game, totally black won the game. That's it. Okay. We will go to the chapter 2. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. This is chapter 2. How to white won by this game. Win by this game, white wins the game. I am going to give you the 15 seconds only. You need to find the right answer before the 15 seconds. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. Okay, let's go to the timer. The timer is running right now.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. This is chapter 2 answer. The timer is end right now. First move is black 10. How to white won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Now first move is knight cross e4. Now that pawn is gone. Now bishop b d5. Now both knight attack y the bishop. This bishop attack this knight. At the same time this bishop attack this knight. Black cannot do anything. He will move like this, then wrap the knight. Why the white bishop? That's it. That's why easily won the game white. White has so many pieces. That's why easily won the game white. Okay, let's go to the chapter 3. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is chapter 3. How to black win the game in 3 moves only. Why black lost the game? White lost the game. Black won the game. White lost the game. I am going to give you the 15 seconds only. Okay. First move is black turn. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. I am going to give you 15 seconds only. If you don't know the answer before the 15 seconds, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. Okay. Now the timer is running right now in the right time. Let's go to the timer.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Now the answer. I am going to give you the right answer now. First move is black check. Okay, let's start with black check. Knight d4. Now you can see here is a beautiful attack. This knight attacked his queen. That's why white going to cut like this. He cut the knight by the phone. Then bishop cut the phone and check and fork the. We will see now there is a poke. Bishop cut check here. In the same time bishop cut the rook. Then king go to h1. Then bishop cross a1. That's it. In this match, black winning position is so high. That's why easily won. Black white is lost the game. Okay, we can go to the chapter 4. Okay. So chess fans and chess lovers, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is chapter 4. How to black won the game in 2 moves only. Black 10. First move is black 10. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. I am going to give you the 15 seconds only. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section before the 15 seconds. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. Okay. Let's go to the timer. The timer is running now. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Everyone, the timer is end right now. How to black wins by this game? Black 10. First move is black check. We will see how to black won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply the answer. Okay. First move is queen cross c3. Then queen cross c3. Then beautiful move make knight e2 and beautiful check. Then now queen e2 moves. Then wrap the queen. This knight wrap the queen. That's it. That's why easily lost the game. White, black won the game. Okay. We will go to the chapter 5. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is chapter 5. Okay. Black wins the game. First move is black check. Okay. I am going to give you the 15 seconds only. If you know the answer before the 15 seconds, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. The timer is running right now in the right time. Let's go to the timer.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, now the answer is, the timer is done. I am going to give you the right answer. Black win, how to black win the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. First move is black 10, rook d1. Now check. Black the check with bishop. Then another move, knight f3 and beautiful check here. Now king need to move. King go to g2. Attack the knight by the king. Then another move, knight e1 and beautiful check and fork the rook. King go to h3. Then wrap the rook. That's it. That's why easily won the game black. Okay. White lost the game. If you are interested in this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you.